Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can complete the Victor Quest 1 in Abyss Roblox. So in Victor Quest 1 you need to catch some kind of fish. You need to catch 6 Napoleon, 10 Jellyfish, and also crack 3 Rooted Geods, and also catch 4 Sunfish. So in here I already finished the other 3, and in here I just need to caught or catch a Sunfish as my last mission. Oops, let me try to catch it again. So I'm going to try to catch the Sunfish to complete the Victor Quest number 1. Okay, so now it's all complete. I'm going to go back and talk to Victor and see what I got after I finished the quest. So let's head inside the Spirit Root Hollow. And I'm going to interact with Victor again to say that I've completed the quest. Okay, and let's see what we'll get in here. So I got oxygen spot and also rooted geodes and some cash. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.